Hello everyone watching this. My name is Emma Hofen and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of my portfolio website. This is a website I created for a educational technology class and basically shows you all of my skills and the things I have learned and my thoughts on educational technology so that you can get a better idea about me and what my skills are in this area. So we're going to start by just giving you a little tour. Here you can find some information about who I am, how I grew up in my childhood. If you click on the Who button, you'll see some pictures of me, some videos of doing some stuff with my family, and find some information about me through this slideshow and how I grew up. If we go back here, you'll see some goals for teachers and for this website that I created at the beginning of the semester, and you can read through those. And if you go to the what, you will find this video and kind of a description of what I just said of what this website is and how it's a portfolio. Then if you click on the artifacts button, it'll take you to a page that links to all of the different skills and things that I've been working on throughout the semester. So this includes all my certifications, micro-credentials, some of my thoughts on different issues, some examples of some work I've done, for instance in infographics and grading rubrics, and then also just some sample lesson plans that I created using my skills in technology. So you can click on any of these and see what I've done in those areas. If you click on the journals button, you will find 5 or 6 journals about some various issues regarding technology and education, and you can just read some of my thoughts on what I think about how we should go about working on those issues and finding solutions and just what I think about those things. If you click on the More button, you will see my a couple other things that I've done, some rubrics and different things, and also a link to something I did for another class that I put on this website that just shows some of my work in other areas and my writing style and things like that. So yeah, that's my portfolio website. Thank you for taking a look.